Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're going to walk through the process of changing the locking system on your Thermomix TM5. This task requires some specific tools and a little patience, so let's get started. First, you will need the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have everything ready before you begin. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5 to ensure your safety. Next, you will want to remove the base cover. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws located on the underside of the appliance. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the cover. Be careful with the wires and components underneath, you don't want to damage anything. Now, locate the locking mechanism, which is typically situated next to the bowl base. This is the part we will be replacing. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the old locking system out. If it feels stuck, take your time and wiggle it gently. Remember, if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help at any time. After you've removed the old locking system, take a moment to clean the internal area. Dust and debris can accumulate here, affecting performance. Use a soft cloth or a small brush to clean any residue. If you encounter stubborn dirt, a mild cleaner can help, but ensure it is safe for plastic surfaces. Now, it's time to install the new locking system. Align it with the existing holes and press it securely into place. Make sure it clicks in, indicating it's properly seated. If you don't have the tools for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to have your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. Once the new locking system is in place, replace the base cover. Line it up carefully and reinsert the screws you previously removed. Make sure each screw is tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test the new locking mechanism. Make sure it functions correctly before putting your appliance back to use. If you notice any issues, keep in mind that we provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the locking system on your Thermomix TM5. With these steps, you can maintain your appliance in top condition. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our services. Remember, no calls, no travel, just convenient solutions right at your doorstep. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.